Look at this guy. He's tired and pathetic. Is this who you want to be? He used to be successful. What happened to him? Is this how you want to start off your day? Being late for what could possibly be the most important day of your life?
Shoot! Late.
Now look what could have happened if he had just bought the T-1000 alarm clock from Alarm Emporium.
I'm glad I bought the T-1000 light and alarm clock. I can do this. It's Sunday. Hi, I'm George Jacob Jackson Jr.
And I'm Diane Porter.
And I'm glad I bought the T-1000 alarm clock.
And you can get yours too. You can get the T-1000 for $64.99, and you can get the T-1000 Plus for $89.99.
The T-1000 alarm clock is the most advanced alarm clock on the market.
Now setup is simple. Gently plug in any lamp into the back of the T-1000. It's that simple, George.
Call the number on your screen today to order your T-1000 alarm clock.
Available at Walgreens.